Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Milena and I love all things beauty, so if that is your thing too, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to do that. If you love anything that has to do with beauty, you're going to love my channel, you're gonna love my videos, and make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, show me some love. But for today's video, we are going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing of the base box for July. I'm so excited. This just came in the mail and I am right into it. So let's just get started. If you want to see my review and first impression of the Boxycharm box for July, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright, as usual, it comes in this cute little black box that says Boxycharm, and then when you open it up like this, it says Hello Charmer, and it has their Instagram handle and their hashtag. So when we open up the box, okay, I'm already gonna love this! So we are gonna go in order. They give you a little card that tells you all of the products in there, how much they cost. Holy crap, there's already a really expensive product in here, so let's get right into it. The first one is from 111 Skin. That is a brand that I've never heard of, so this is going to be completely new to me. It's their NACY2 Pollution Defense Booster, and it goes for $135. I've only had two Boxycharm boxes before this, but in both of those, I have not had a product that's that expensive or even close to that expensive. So that is really cool. I paid 25 bucks for this box and already the first product that's in here is $135. So insane. But this product says that it's a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age, which we need. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. So that sounds really cool. Let's see. Oh, okay. So is this like a serum? Yeah, so the directions say to mix 1 or 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer, or just to apply directly to your skin after cleansing. So this is what it looks like. So I guess it is kind of like a serum kind of thing. Yeah, definitely is. Let's see how it feels on the back of my hand just a little bit. So I put some on there and I'm just gonna rub it in. Okay, it feels very slippery and a little tacky. So it does have kind of the consistency of a serum. So far so good. It doesn't have a smell really, which I like. I don't like for my skincare products to have smells in them. I just feel like that's not exactly the cleanest, if that makes sense. So yeah, no smell. It dried down pretty quick. Like I said, it was kind of tacky, but it felt pretty good. But I am definitely going to play around with this. I think I'm gonna apply this tonight once I take all this makeup off and see how it goes for me. I'm thinking of, in the near future, doing kind of a updated opinions on my Boxycharm products. So I can include my last two that I reviewed and then this one. So stay tuned for that in the next couple of weeks or so. I definitely want to keep you guys updated because I genuinely do play around with these products, test them out. So stay tuned for that. But the second one is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Love these. I thought this was gonna be a lip gloss, but this is nice. So it says get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight, decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance and add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. This, I love cream eyeshadows like this. I love anything that you can paint onto your eyes and just make it a very easy, simple process while still popping. So let's swatch this on the back of my hand. Oh, it's a really, really pretty color. I love this color. It's not very thick and it's not crazy, crazy, crazy pigmented. Like in here, it looks very pink. And then when I swatched it on my hand, it's just more sheer. So I guess I can see having to put a few layers on for a more dramatic kind of effect. But I think I can get with this one. I'm definitely gonna play around with this. Like I said, I'm obsessed with these kinds of shadows. So good job, Studio Makeup. Definitely gonna play with this once this video is over and keep you guys posted. Oh, sorry, and that one goes for $25. So it's just kind of like if you guys have used the Makeup Forever liquid shadows, it's pretty similar in price to that. Kind of the same idea for an eyeshadow look, so we'll see. But the next product is from BEAUTE, also a brand that I've never heard of. So a lot of new products in this box, which is really cool. And it is the Bronzed in Paradise palette. So it is, oh, it's a bronzer palette, nice. So it's 4 bronzer shades featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look, can be layered on top of liquid, cream, and other powder complexion products. And this palette goes for $30. So it is this one. Let's open her up. I really like this packaging. It's a very, very lightweight, like, you know, you can kind of tell when a packaging feels expensive or not. This one I would not categorize as like an expensive, heavy feeling packaging, but it's also not an expensive product at all, so I wouldn't judge it based off of that. But I really like this pattern. It's really, really pretty and it just feels really bronzy and summery. So very, very on point with that. Once you open it up, it does come with a mirror and it comes with this little plastic that you take off. And yeah, there are 4 different shades in here. Let me fold this back so you guys aren't looking at my ugly background. But yeah, it comes with 4 shades. I think I definitely am gonna be more in between these middle 2. You guys know I love to look bronzed and sun-kissed and everything, so I don't really gravitate towards the lighter shades. This one is, I have a tan, so this one's more so like very, very similar to my skin color right now, but these two mixed together I feel like would look beautiful. This, perfect for deeper tones. These are just very, very pretty colors. Let's swatch these and see what they do for us. Not the most pigmented, I'll say right off the bat. Is it like my NARS Laguna? Probably not, but still very, very beautiful. So let me just show you. This one right here is that lightest shade. I don't know if they even have names. They don't have any names for these shades. They're just 4 shades in the palette. So I'll just go lightest to darkest for you guys. This one is the lightest shade. You can see it's really, really similar to my skin color. This one is that second shade. I think this one might be better for me than this one, to be honest. This one is looking a little too dark for me. This one is that third shade, still really beautiful, and then this is that darkest shade. So they all have kind of their own specific undertone, if that makes sense. Like you could tell this one's a little bit more red, this one is a little more neutral, this one is kind of on the warmer side, and this one also pretty neutral because I have a neutral undertone and it's almost exactly the same as my skin color. So all really, really beautiful. You can tell the pigment is there. Like I said, it's not maybe as pigmented as some of the other ones that I use, but I still have to play around with it more and see kind of what it does for me on my actual skin, all that good stuff. So far I definitely do like this. I really like the packaging. I think this is really cute. This would be pretty fun to travel with, especially if you're going somewhere where you're gonna get a tan, because then you have some different shades to choose from. So really, really nice concept, really nice pattern on here. But moving on to the next product, it is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Masks. I love eye masks so much, so I'm really, really excited about this one. I pretty much wear eye masks all the time, especially if I'm on a trip somewhere. I wear them every single morning because I just want my eyes to be just open, look awake, look energized. I don't want bags under my eyes, of course. So I love eye masks. It says it comes with 12 pairs. And it says, suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes? Perk them up as if you've had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful, which is what we all want. That's all we want out of eye masks, so I'm hoping these deliver. They go for $21, which is really, really not bad. But let's open this up. So this is what the packaging looks like. It says Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. That is like such an attractive statement to me because who doesn't want that for their under eyes? Especially me, I have very hollow under eyes and it takes a lot to cover it up. So whatever help I can get, I will take. But once you open it, oh, this is so cute. You open it up and right on the top, on the inside cover, it has a little winky face and it says good choice. I love that. Very, very creative. This, oh, this is really cute. Oh my god, they're like gold. I love that. So it says, yeah, same thing, like an energy drink for your eyes. I'm really, really excited about these guys. I'm probably gonna, no, maybe I should do them tomorrow morning. I was gonna say I want to do them before bed tonight, but I don't really want to, or I don't really care to energize my eyes before I go to sleep. But this is gonna be really nice for in the morning. These are gonna be under my eyes first thing tomorrow morning so I can really test them out and see what they do for me. But I'm so, so excited. I just love how creative the packaging was. I love how it's not crazy expensive like some other eye patches on the market. So really, really fun. And last but not least, our last product is from LAVISH. It's the Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. So excited. I've been needing a brush cleaner because if you guys, I'll link my video right here to my how I clean my brushes on a budget, and I basically home make my brush cleaner and I use that to clean all my brushes just so that you don't have to keep spending money on a brush cleaner. It's not cheap every time, so this is definitely gonna come in handy. I'm really hoping I end up liking this. So it says, with this Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. So it goes for $17. This is what the tin looks like. It's literally like an Altoids tin, if you've ever had Altoids. And it says Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner and then LAVISH at the bottom. So basically everything I just said. And then on the back it tells you the directions to remove previous color, swirl brush around in the pad in a circular motion. Removes darker as well as brighter shadows quickly without the use of water. So this I think is more so of like that in between uses cleaner. So I don't think it's an actual deep cleaner for brushes. I'll probably still have to use my other method, but I think this is good for like in between, like if you want to do 2 different looks in a day, for example, or if you're doing your makeup dark one day and then light the next day, but you don't have time to wash your brushes. This is a good in between kind of thing. I'm gonna take one of my brushes and I just want to see what it does for it. So far I don't really like this one too much. It says to use it dry. It just says swirl brush around in the pad in a circular motion, which I did, but the bristles from my brush are coming off. I don't know how well you can see it, but like my bristles are coming off into this little pad and it's not removing the color too well. It is removing the color, but not as well or as quickly as I would have hoped. So I'm gonna have to do my research on this a little more and keep you guys posted. I really like the concept of this and I wanna like it really badly. So I'm gonna have to research it. First impression, I don't really care for it too much, but I'm not going to judge it too hard just off of that quick little swirl. So like I said, I'll do my research, I'll figure it out, and I'll keep you guys posted on that. All right, you guys, that is it for my July Boxycharm base box unboxing. A lot of B's. This one was a really, really fun box. It was definitely a little different from the other two I received. All brands that I've never heard of before besides that Studio Makeup brand. And that one I only heard of because it was in one of my previous boxes. But I really, really enjoy getting these different brands that I've never heard of before, trying something different, seeing how I like it. Maybe it's a brand that you've never heard of but ends up being your new favorite. So this is just a really cool, fun concept to me, and a lot of products that I'm really excited to test out and use for you guys. So this is all of them in the box. Lots of full-size products. I was especially amazed about this one because this little thing, it's not even a full ounce. It's 0.6 fluid ounces, and it goes for $135, which is insane. And it came in my little $25 Boxycharm box. So I am just really amazed. I'm really excited about this one. I'm definitely going to run and play with all of these products as soon as I possibly can, and then I'll keep you guys updated on what I think after a couple weeks of trying them out or so. But I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you had a good time seeing what I got in my box, how much it surprised me, how much I like these or don't like these. If you want to see more like this, make sure to comment down below. If there's any other kind of subscriptions that you guys like and that you trust, make sure to comment and let me know what they are. I'm more than happy to try some different ones out and see, and of course compare, because we like to do that here. Make sure to give this video a huge, huge thumbs up for me. Let me know you're loving my videos, share this with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. I make videos 3 times a week, so you guys are always getting something out of me. But that's all I've got for you for today. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.